On the 19th day of Christmas, my true love gave me a craft. Haha. Okay, so on your craft kits for this day is you're going to get 3 popsicle sticks. You're going to get some buttons. You are going to get some lovely glittery sparkles, gems, and you're going to get a string. So what we're going to do with your items is you're going to put them together. So what we did first is we put the whole popsicle stick together, but what you might like to do is decorate your popsicle sticks first. So like maybe like this. Let's put a lovely purple one on. And then we're going to put a yellow one on and maybe a red one. Oops. Yeah, there you go. Sometimes the sticky stays on the plastic instead of onto your pops, onto there. So let's put a lovely purple one on again. So then what it's going to be is like this. Let's make sure we get, there we go. And so that's how it's going to go, but let's put the glittery stuff on first before we do anything else. So what you can do is put it like that, or put it like this. By the way, guys, this is pretty sticky, but I'm making sure that I'm not putting anything on the center. So now I'm going to do the red. Like I said, guys, this is pretty sticky. So now what I can do is I can glue them all together. So it'll go like this. Actually, why not you just glue it together? So make sure that when you're doing your craft that you have something to protect the table. So maybe a plastic bag or something like that. Something so that you will not get everything glued up. So there we go. And then what I'm going to do is take one of my extra buttons and I'm going to put it right in the center. Okay, so there's my snowflake. So the last thing you're going to get in your kit is you are going to get a string. So what you can do is you can take your string, put it like this, and then you can hang your beautiful snowflake on your Christmas tree. Okay? And that is the 19th day of Christmas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that is how you can do it. And if you have stuff at home, you could add it to it. You can put you can put everything on, or just put what you like on it, okay? And if you want to, maybe you can do a little bit of coloring on it before you put everything on. We'd love to see your Christmas stars, your snowflakes, when you're done. We'll see you guys soon. Bye!